Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and find vacation rentals on booking.com. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First things first, what I want you to do is simply go ahead and open any browser that you want and simply go ahead and search for booking.com. Once you've done that, you're going to be taken to this site right over here, and make sure you are logged in into your account. If you don't know how to, I've already made a video on how to do that. And now all you need to do is go ahead and enter the location that you are heading to, and simply go ahead and select the date you are heading to, and go ahead and also enter how many people are heading. Simply go ahead and click on search. Once you've done that, it's going to show you all the list of properties that can be found in the location that you're going. Now what you want to do is use the filter by tab in order to go ahead and find only the vacation homes. So if you scroll all the way down, as you can see, there is property type, hotel or similar, apartment or vacation home, nature stay. So simply go ahead and click on this arrow button right next to vacation homes, and this is where you can search for villas, houses. So let me just go ahead and show you some more. So houses, you can also go ahead and search for apartments, as you can see, also the bungalows, and many more. All the vacation homes are present here. You can do it according to your liking. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.